Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to find the TDP of your DELL Pro 14. So the most accurate way to find out what your maximum TDP is downloading the CPU-Z software, which is a free software for checking your CPU specifications, and you can find it on the official CPU ID website. So let's open our web browser and let's go into any search engine and search for CPU-Z. Then open CPU ID website. Here, scroll down until you find the setup English file. Then download CPU-Z exe file and run it. Click yes, accept a user agreement and click next. Then you have to click next once again. Next, if you want to have a desktop icon, then also leave this checkbox checked. Click next, install. Let's skip the README part and click finish. After that, you have to open the CPU-Z application. Wait until it scans your CPU, which it does when it's loading. And here, in the first tab, we'll be able to see the maximum TDP value, which, as you can see, is 15 watts for this laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.